Hi everybody, it's Dagonhills here. I have another Zippo to show you, so let's take a look at it. This is the Zippo 2016 Collectible of the Year. It's an armor facet. So let me open it up and see what we got. Well, here's the inner box. It's one of those nice ones. This one's a little different, I guess, because it's a Collectible of the Year, but it has that little Zippo, like Zippo lighter. You can see the facets there. And of course it's the red and black. Show you what it says on the back. So let me open this up. There's a little Zippo pamphlet. Here it is. It's a beautiful lighter. Has the beautiful facets. It's an armor lighter. It's thicker and it's carved, but it has like a satin finish. Let me take it out and show it to you. Also notice that it has this Zippo hologram inside the lid. It says genuine Zippo. I'll show you a close-up. You can see that satin finish. Those facets look like a diamond. Okay, well here it is out of the box. It has a beautiful carved facets. I like the way it goes all the way around. This one has a couple things different than most of the lighters because it's the Collectible of the Year. But it has, right there, has the little Zippo flame. And then on the back, if you can see right there, has a serial number. So they made 13,000 of these. It's a really nice lighter. This one has the silver insert. It's the Collectible of the Year. You can see with the armor how they're a little thicker. The walls are a little thicker. This one's really classy. I love the satin finish. And the satin finish is beautiful. It also doesn't show the fingerprints. The high polished chrome, they always show the fingerprints. And there's the bottom. The armor is in the middle right there, the stamp. Then it has that Zippo lighter. I guess that means the Collectible of the Year. So thanks so much for watching. I wanted to show this off. This is a sweet lighter. A lot of the Zippos now are really classy. Everybody tends to think of just the old boxy ones, but they really outdo themselves sometimes. So thanks for watching. You take care.
I am Jagan.